guys, welcome back to my channel. This is In My Beauty and I'm Samantha. Today I'm going to be just showing you guys really quickly how to put on falsies quick and easy. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back and we'll get into it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I've been uploading twice a week now. Alright, catch you in a second. First thing I did, I curled my eyelashes. Some people like to put mascara on before they do it, but I personally don't. So I got my lashes. I'm using Koko lashes in Risque. I actually have one ready, but they're these lashes, Risque. You want to trim them down. So what you want to do is you want to put them on your eye before. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. You want to get them, take them out, have it, and then you want to form it to the shape of your eye from outside to inside, and always cut from the outside. Don't ever trim the inside because the inside is tapered up, and so it's going to look better. If you cut that, it's going to look a little weird. So make sure you cut from the outside if you need to trim any. And then I kind of like do this with mine just to bend them, like, hold on, let me show you. I will like bend them like this so that they get a little bit of shape to them. And then some people use their fingers, some people use their hands. I like this little contraption. So I'll put the eyelash in here, and then what I do is I just get glue, and I'm using Duo latex free glue, and I put it, so what I do is I get the glue, right, and then I just tap it all across like that, really good. Make sure it covers the whole thing. You really want to, I make sure I hit the outside and the inside like a lot because it tends to not stick so well. I do have a weird thing going on here, but I'm still going to put them on. Okay, so then you just want to wait a few minutes, blow on it. You want it to get a little tacky. Now what I do is I get a mirror and I look down, and then I will place them as I'm looking down. I'm going to place the center onto the center of my lashes, and I don't put it on my skin. I connect it to the base of my lashes. So I basically just line it up, put it down, and then I make sure the center's in there, it's touching, it's good. And then I'll grab the end and I'll hold it into place for a few seconds. And I do the same thing the inside. And once you feel like they're all connected, I just go over and I pinch them together. Okay, now that they're both on, I'm going to give it a few moments to dry. This one's good. And then I just get mascara. I'm going to use Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. And you just want to do this. Never go all the way through because you'll fuck up your lashes. You just want to do this so they fuse. Just at the base. And then if you want to squeeze them again, which I do, so I really know that they're together. Whew. Alright guys, and that's how you apply falsies. It's not the best looking falsies I've ever done, but they still look good. This one's kind of, I highly recommend you, whenever you do wear falsies out, you always bring an extra set of glue and tweezers in your purse or your car or whatever, so that you can fix them if you need to. Because honestly, it's taken me months to finally get it to the point where I don't need to bring glue with me every time, but I still do, because they still always fly away. Like, that one's already flying away and I'm gonna fix it. Alright, hope you like this video. Make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more cool fun things. See ya, have a great week.